Hello friends, come to stand nice and tall on your mat. For chair pose, you can either place your feet flush together or hip distance apart. Your choice, play, experiment with it. I also like to use a yoga block to place in between my thighs. So that way I can find a little bit more steadiness and ease as I move through this posture. So feel free to do that, or you can use a thick book. Okay, let's rock our pelvis forward, loop our shoulders, and tuck in our chin slightly. We're gonna want to maintain this length as we move through chair pose. Okay, let's breathe in together. And on an exhale, imagine that you're sitting back into a chair. So you're bending at your knees, hinging a little bit forward at your hips here. We're putting a lot of weight in our hips as well as our heels. And we can experiment with that by actually lifting our toes away from the mat. Our knees may want to spill in. We're gonna try to trace our knees so that way they're in line with our feet and not going too far past the toes. Okay, so let's breathe here for 3, 2, and then rise on up on the 1, shake it off. So now that we focused in on what our lower body's doing, let's now integrate to the upper body. Breathe in, and on an exhale, begin to bend into that chair. Perhaps you sink a little bit deeper this time, and then on an inhale, we send our arms up and overhead, palms facing one another, biceps towards the ears. You got this. Lift the toes to dump a little bit more weight in our back body here. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then rise on up on the 1, shake it off. Whatever happened, happened. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. Return to this video often, especially if you are looking to strengthen the whole body, especially tone the low body. Thank you so much. Bye for now.